So we're coming out of winter now, and you can see here my curry tree. The leaves have gone quite yellow, so I think it's getting quite warm. So it's not just winter now. I think it's a bit of chlorosis. It's only in a small pot here, so it's probably depleted its iron and magnesium. And just taking over to my gardenias as well. You can see it's probably time for me to give these a bit of a go with iron chelate and some fertiliser. You can see the yellow leaves. We didn't get a great amount of flowers this year, so I suspect the nutrients are getting a bit low. So what I'm going to do, and I did this 2 years ago to great effect. I missed last year, so this is why I've got a problem with it. I'm just going to mix some Epsom salts up into a slightly warm jam jar here, and put it into the watering can. Also put some iron chelate, and put a little bit of powerfeed in, all in together into the 9 litre watering can, and just water directly at the roots of the gardenias that I have across here, and also into the curry plant. And afterwards add a little bit of a rooster booster just to top it up. I'm going to do a general fertiliser with the rooster booster across all of my fruit trees today, so it's good timing.